Hello everyone and welcome back to How to Maximize. In today's video, we are going to learn how to add music to your Instagram story. Open the Instagram app on your cell phone. Now select a story to add music to. Now tap on the options. Now tap on music. Now you can select from your list of songs. Or you can search for your favorite song. And there you go. Now you have added music to your story. You can adjust the song tag on your story according to your need. You can zoom in on it or you can shrink it. Now add to your story. And it's done. Easy, right? Don't forget to subscribe. See you next time.